President, Srimati Draupadi Murmu. She said that डॉक्टर भीमराव अंबेडकर मेरे लिए भगवान समान है। उन्होंने कुछ ऐसा कर दिया था जिसकी वजह से आज मैं आप सभी के सामने खड़ी हूँ। He's like a god to me. He did something which made me stand before you in this position today. So what exactly did Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar did, which our president was talking about? So to know that, one has to know about his story, his life, and about what he did when he lived. As a young boy, he faced many discriminations. He was not allowed to study Sanskrit. He was forced to walk out of his classroom. He couldn't touch the same pot as his classmates, and have to face much more discrimination because he was born into the suppressed caste family. But these things did not deter him. These things did not deter him, and he, from his goals, his goal to make every Dalit realize his individual independent, and to make every woman independent, and his goal to transform India into a future which provided Indian people the social justice. What always inspired me about Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar was his courage and determination. Despite of his all hardships, he rose up from them by his determination. He answered his oppressors by his education to become one of the best leader of India. He was the boy who was forced to walk out of his classroom with his slate and his gummy bag. But after this, now he became the man who stepped into the Parliament Hall holding most important document of India. There has been almost half a century since he has gone, but his beliefs and his teachings still stand relevant today. So now I will like to say something important, which is हम सब जानते हैं कि हमारे एक साल में सिर्फ एक ही बार ये जयंती आती है। हम एक दिन हमारी जो सोसाइटी है इसको ऑर्गेनाइज करती है, तो हम सिर्फ एक दिन डांस परफॉर्मेंसेस जैसे आज हो रहे हैं वैसे करते हैं। तो हमें सिर्फ एक दिन अपना सहयोग नहीं करना चाहिए।